Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase income streams with PayPal, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, log in to your PayPal account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the wallet section. Here, you'll find options to link your bank account or credit cards. Linking multiple accounts allows for faster transactions and increased flexibility. Next, explore the Send and Request tab. This feature enables you to send invoices or request payments from clients. Consider creating and sending regular invoices to establish a steady flow of income. After that, check the PayPal.me option for a personalized link. Creating a PayPal.me link makes it easy for others to send you money directly. Promote your PayPal.me link on social media and your website to attract clients. Now, let's look at PayPal Business. Upgrading to a business account unlocks additional features. You gain access to tools like payment processing, subscriptions, and advanced reporting. Utilize the subscription feature to set up recurring payments. This is ideal for services or products that require monthly payments. Next, consider offering digital products, such as ebooks or courses. These can be sold directly through PayPal's payment buttons. Set up a payment button by going to Tools and selecting PayPal Buttons. Customize your button and integrate it into your website or blog. This can help you reach a broader audience and increase sales. Another great way to earn with PayPal is affiliate marketing. Partner with brands and promote their products using your link. When someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Lastly, consider using PayPal's Pay in 4 feature. This allows customers to pay in installments, making it easier to sell higher-priced items. By diversifying your income streams, you can maximize your earnings with PayPal. Implement these strategies and monitor your earnings regularly. Adjust your approach based on what works best for you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.